Hello, I'm Jackson, and today I'll be making some cheeseburger tacos. And so I've already preheated my oven to 375 degrees, and right now I'm just browning my ground beef. So, let's see. So, I need to stir this around a little bit. Make sure it gets everything. Now I need to add salt, garlic powder, and pepper. So it calls for half a teaspoon of garlic powder. That's good. And let's see, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Yeah. And 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Right. Okay. So once we have that done, we're gonna let it brown a bit. Yes. Good. And okay, so now you can see I've lightly greased a baking sheet and drained my ground beef in a colander for there, and I put half a cup of ketchup in the measuring cup, yeah, what you call it for. And so now I'm gonna mix the ketchup into the ground beef. So this will be good. Okay, so now that I've mixed that, okay, so now we're gonna begin to prepare my tacos, and what that means is I'm gonna spread this meat mixture in a line down the center. Yeah. And now, gonna take some cheese, pour that on top. Yes, delicious. And we roll it. And set it right there on our greased baking sheet. We do it again. Good. And after they're in, we're going to sprinkle some cheese around the top. Okay, so now that I've made 6 of these and covered them with cheese, I'm going to fit this pretty snugly with some aluminum like so. And put them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. So, okay, let's see how they turn out. Okay, so I put it in there for about 20 minutes and let it cool for 5, 10, and now we're going to see how it turned out. It looks good. So, next step is to mix our half cup of sour cream, our cup of ketchup. Mix it together to get a cool, like, paste. And flour tortillas and cheese, and you just want to make like a cheeseburger. They look like cheeseburgers. So yeah, they're not hard to make. It takes about 30 minutes to make 6 of these. I made 6. And hopefully they'll be really good, and they're pretty simple, so, you know.